celebrate. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and
wonderful and energetic morning to each and everyone present here. I know you all are very excited and eager to celebrate and enjoy this wonderful day with a person who is excellent, fair and consistent leader, the one who worked hard for us. We all wish you a happy Principal Day, dear sister. Dear sister, we learn a lot of things while being with you. You are a great principal who deserve the grand of celebrations. We celebrate you not because it's courteous, but because we sincerely wish to see your smile on your special day, dear sister. Rise up, star fresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may not be good. Every day may not good, but there is something good in every day. So let us start this wonderful occasion with a prayer. For that, I would like to invite prayer group.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops on us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops on us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Thank you, dear teachers. Welcome the guest is the tradition of our culture. Now, let's welcome the dignitaries. It's my extreme pleasure to invite Sister Liz Nya for welcome speech.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today we are celebrating our Principal Day. So I wish you a happy Principal's Day to all of you. It's pleasure to start this special occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. Dear seminarians, this family is supported by two great pillars who works day out for the betterment of all of us. So let's welcome those pillars without which nothing is possible. Yes, she is the first, our manager, Reverend Sister Cincy. With your fresh thoughts, optimistic approaches, and gentle behaviors, we are sure that this institute is in good hands. Mother, we all welcome you from our bottom of our heart. I would like to call Nisha ma'am to honor Reverend Mother Cincy. Please, ma'am. Welcome, Mother. Our second great pillar is our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Pepsi. Beneath the image of a strict person, strict principal, there is a person who desires nothing but brighter future for all of us. Sister, you are sincere in your efforts to nourish your team, and you are sincere in your efforts to motivate and teachers to lead. So, we also sincerely wishing you a peaceful, happy feast. In this special day, I would like to express a hearty and deep welcome to you in the name of all the seminarians who present here. I would like to call Reverend Sister Divine to honor Reverend Sister Pepsi. Next, a glorious persons are our teaching and non-teaching staffs. My dears, you are the precious gift of God. We know from so many days you are preparing for this great day. I welcome everybody, all of my pleasant greetings. A warm welcome to all my dear grandparents and your children. I wish the celebration make you smile and cheer up with full of joy and enjoyment. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister. Respected principal sister, you are sincere in your efforts to grow your team. You are sincere in your efforts to motivate us and teach us to leave. We are sincere in wishing you a pleasant and wonderful Principal Day. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Sandeep sir to say sweet words about our beloved sister. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all. First, I'll give the brief information about Saint Paul. Who was he? He was one of the first leaders of the first generation of the Christians, often considered to be the most important person after Jesus in the history of Christianity. He was man of work. He suffered a lot of fulfill for his mission and vision. Saint Paul, the apostle, is the better son of Sister Pepsi, was like him. She also fulfilled the vision and mission which your God has given to her. Respected Reverend Mother Cincy, our beloved Principal Reverend Sister Pepsi, Vice Principal Reverend Sister Visnia, teachers, supporting staff, parents and my dear students. Every year we celebrate Principal Day on 29th June, a time dedicated to celebrate hardworking, determined and visionary principals. Yes, correct. Very young, dedicated, hardworking, enthusiastic, proficient and conscientious in every work. Strict and disciplined are Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Pepsi. Dear sister, I just wanted to share my sincerest thank you. It has been an easy transition. It has been not an easy transition for any of us. Parents updated and informed, especially during the pandemic situation of COVID-19. Your dedication to our students shows and is much appreciated. We feel very fortunate to have you as our principal. During this challenging time, we continuously impressed with your ability to unite our school campus. You have fostered a sense of support and appreciation that allows us as educators to improve our practice daily. Your long time, long hours and hard work during the school construction makes such a difference to ensure growth of the school and learning of our students and staff. I can't thank you enough for all you have done as a school principal. Your vision, wisdom and passion for this school is apparent every time. You hold an assembly or speak to us as a teacher to any concerns of the staff and keep us excited about improving our school. Your impact has really made a difference. Strong leadership is the foundation of a school's success, and without you that would not be possible. Because of you, our school quality is at an all-time always high. Words cannot begin to describe how thankful we are for the work you do as a school principal. You are the glue that keeps longing together. Your ability to empathize with our students and constant belief in the staff inspiring us all to learn new things. Never forget how amazing you are and how much of a difference you have made for this school, and we are forever grateful. Thank you so much for being a principal, and happy Principal Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What can cake teach you? Yes. What can cake teach you about life? That practice makes perfect. And if you try something once, it's probably going to be perfect. And you have to keep working on it if you want to be a good at it. Now, I would like to invite our local manager, Reverend Mother Cincy, to honor our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Pepsi, following by cake cutting.
इथेच का का तिकडे जाऊन
तिकडं सांगितलं मी पण येणार
दोघं जण मिळून का फक्त फिरवायचं त्याला असं
beautiful surprise. Please. All students of St. Mary, I would like to call Miss Aditi to wish our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Perusi. Please, Aditi.
A very wonderful and memorable morning to each and everyone present here. Before I start saying something, first of all, let me wish you a very happy Principal Day. Dear sister, as your students, it's our privilege to celebrate this wonderful occasion. Behind every great school is a caring principal. A great principal is the one who inspires, encourages creativity, builds confidence, touches our heart and changes our lives forever. It's not too much what is poured into a student, but what is planted by the teacher that really counts. Dear sister, you are not only a great principal, but also a great teacher. You teach us with a very fluent style. If there must be anything to tell about your personality, the answer must be in one sentence. You are perfect. You are perfect in each and everything you do. We all appreciate the decisions you take. You have shaped our personality with a unique art. You have taught all the lessons that we must know before we step out. I am here to express my sincere thanks for everything you have done to improve our school. Without your intensive organization and incredible passion about students, our community could not be what it is today. You have made a great change in the lives of St. Mary students, and for that we are forever thankful. Thank you, sister, for being an amazing principal. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Aditi. If there is no dance, there is no flavor in any occasion. To give a sweet flavor to our occasion, let me call Miss Anushri and Miss Arya Bhalirao. Please, Anushri and Arya. stage. Please, Kriti.
मेरे आँखें कहाँ मेरा खोया आशिकों की मेरा सब चली मेरा चैन हो गया चलो मानो मुझे प्यार यार चली चली देखो प्यार की गली मुझे के चली चली हाँ मेरी जान मुझे जाना मेरा क्या हो जाए कहीं मैं कोई खेल नहीं है प्यार नहीं मुझे पता न चला कैसे कभी हो गया सारी सोशल मीडिया चर्चा हो गया वैलेंटाइंस डे पे मेरा खर्चा हो गया मैं चली देखो प्यार की गली मुझे रोके न कोई मैं चली हाँ मेरी जान मुझे जाना मेरा
पुढे चाला थोडा पुढे झाला सिस्टर नाही करत जाऊ दे. थोडा पुढे चाला सिस्टर मागून जाऊ दे.
Leaders are made. They are not born. They are made by hard efforts, which is the price which all of us must pay to achieve any goals that is worthwhile. Our dear principal, Reverend Sister Pepsi, you are inspiring us to dream more, to learn more, and become more. You are a great leader. Now, I would like to call Reverend Sister Pepsi. Please express your feelings in this special occasion. Please, dear sister.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sister.
Dear loving sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear children and parents who are watching this program online from their homes. Today, St. Mary family have gathered here for the celebration. So at this moment, once again, we shall together thank God for His blessings because He is keeping us still safe and secure. Let's hope and wish that this wellness will be continued and better world will arrive which is free from this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, coming to this day, today is 29 June, Feast of St. Paul. Many things about St. Paul in detail, sir, has been said to you. The day when we come into this world, we know we celebrate that day as our birthday. In the same way, in Christian belief and faith, it's like this: after death, saints are born in heaven. So, their death day is celebrated as their heavenly birthday or their feast day. Like that, today is the feast of St. Paul. And behind all our names, all our Christian names, there will be a saint. And this is the Christian tradition of naming the child. Like that, I am named after St. Paul, and today is my feast day, and you are celebrating the special day as the principal day of our school. When our dear ones do something special for us, we feel very happy.
duties and all your celebrations. Really, I bow my heads and offer a big thanks to all of you for all the efforts that you have taken to make this day a special one for me, a special one for St. Mary family. I'm not able to especially mention anyone's name in a special way because I know all have done your duties in a fantastic way to make the celebration a fantastic one. But still, I want to congratulate and offer my heartfelt thanks to my loving sisters, Mother Simsi, Sister Divine, Sister Jinsi Kevi, last but not least, our Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Lisnia, who took leadership for everything and coordinated everything in a systematic manner. Really, I am wondered and surprised to see my portrait here. I think my mother told me Sandeep sir has done this one. So anyway, it's a great work. I think my portrait looks better and beautiful than actually what I am. Anyway, well done. Nice work. First time I'm seeing myself in this huge manner. Also, I especially thank our loving Anushri, Arya, Dhruti, Aditi and others for coming here and showing your love towards me by your dance, by your words, everything. Also, I thank my dear loving students for sending me wishes from your homes. Also, I am very much impressed by the wishes of my Kidsland children. All together, St. Mary family, together rock this celebration, rock this day, and make this day a very special for me. Once again, thanks for everything. Stay safe. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister. Next, I invite Nisha ma'am to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. We are grateful to have such a wonderful principal, Reverend Sister Pepsi. It has not been an easy transition for any of us, but your leadership and positive attitude have helped us through. Your dedication to our students shows and much appreciated. We feel very fortunate to have you as our principal. During these challenging times, we are continually impressed with your ability. Your long hours hard work make such a difference to ensure the learning and growth of both our students as well as staff. We are forever grateful for all you do. Thank you. Thank you, Principal. Once again, I wish you happy Principal Day. Thank you for all the sisters, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and our dear students. Your greetings, your wishes made this day a memorable day. And I will thank again Aditi's wonderful speech, Anushri and Arya's marvelous dance, and with this super dance.